Want to make your background show perfectly through your text in Canva? Here is the fastest way to do it. Step 1. Type your text and change the color to white. Go to Effects, choose Glow, and drag that intensity slider all the way to 100%. Now duplicate it and snap it directly on top. Step 2. We need to turn this into an image. Head over to Apps, open Design to Image, hit Convert, and export your page. Drag that new image onto a fresh page with your favorite background. Final step. Go back to Apps and open Blend Image. Set your background as the top layer and your text as the bottom layer, and switch the blend mode to multiply. Hit Add to Design. Boom! Transparent pattern text in under a minute. Like and subscribe to Fix It Fast for more quick tech fixes.